this is a bit they don't tell you about when they do these cool cinematic drive-bys, is you've got to go back to the camera like a complete loser. Grab it from here? No, I can't grab it from here. You always sound like you're being sick in your helmet when you get on.
I'm doing an extreme workout.
Where should we go now?
Donut.
What?
Donut.
Donut. Okay, we're going to get donut. To blow raspberries at me. You did a big burp. Great. Fucking hell. I didn't see that until I saw it. That's where the meteorite landed that killed the dinosaurs. What did you do? The alarm's going off in there. I'll leave you alone 5 minutes.
They really want their cat treats. Ready?
Yeah. Wait, I wasn't ready.
Oh,
This is a really low slung bike, so if I try and mount that curve, it'll probably bottom out, which I don't want to do. I didn't see the bush until it was too late. You did very well on that curve, proud of you. Horrible way to say that, because we can get donuts over there, if it's open. Right, love, off your hop. Look at her in a cat helmet. I can't believe that you just wore that around Pound Stretcher though. Oh my god, how long does it take to get to the drop? They're silent. Yeah. Nothing. This has ruined my whole day.
precious footage.
Precious footage. Precious footage. Go for precious footage. That's better. Start to the day. Whoa, could have been a bad start to the day. Excuse me. Now we just need to go to Joe's mum's house, do some posting, and then we're going to chill out until later on. More burps. When we're off to the bike night, which isn't actually today, I'm telling a lie, because today is actually 2 days after the bike night when we come out on the bike. But I'm putting it at the start of the video to make it seem like we're going to the bike night later on when we're actually going for a curry for a friend's birthday. And we're going there. Joe, that's where we're going for dinner. Fucking hell. was close. Another reminder, boys and girls, to stay very vigilant to weekend drivers who spend all week at an office place and they come out of the weekend, they're unobservant and they cause chaos. I thought we was actually going to witness a crash then. No, it's just the person in the red car that just didn't see a whole car. Yeah, I got you. Sneaking your mum's treats.
I'm not sneaking, she knows.
You're going for the biscuit tin, there it is. What have we got?
Mother load.
Oh, mother has to provide.
Chocolate.
Oh, sweet.
No, cause.
Yeah.
Huh?
What, white chocolate?
You get the cum ones.
That's disgusting. I love the smell of cut grass. What's wrong with you?
The next day.
You alright about that? Stupid!
Run.
Piss! Oh, what the fuck? Oh, that reeks of piss! Yeah. Where are we going today, Joe? Where are we going?
Bike night burgers, yay!
Bike night burgers, yay! Don't ever change. Putting on my chest. This thing's a bit shit. All right, we're taking off quick. Hold on. I don't have cruise control. Why is this staying on? What the fuck? Okay, bit of an issue with the bike. The throttle cable is getting stuck on. Oh, I bet that's that fucking cable tie I put down there. I might need to take that off. Yeah, fucking hell. Sorry, 1 second, we got a bit of a issue. I think a throttle cable is getting stuck or something. So let's just take this off. I'm right here, come on. The keys are in my pocket. Stupid thing. Yeah, it's that. There we go. I was trying to keep this cable from flapping around, but I realise it's squishing the push-pull cable on the throttle. Let's try this now. Better. On you get. I'll figure out another solution for that later. Right, let's go get burgers fucking finally. Enough camera angles. Enough! The throttle's getting stuck on. What the fuck is this? Okay. How long does it go on for? Yeah. And I can see again. So we've had piss. We've had the throttle getting stuck on. What next? Oh, and we got road closures. Okay, those are 3 things. Everything else will be smooth sailing. That's the way this works. Still, if I ever want cruise control, I just have to put a cable tie back around the air filter. Try this now. pocket. I have the keys here, I think. Do I? The tracker is like near the back of the bike, and I have the key fob for the tracker in my chest pocket. But it's like, no, someone's stealing your bike. No, it's not. It's me. Calm down. At least I know it's super secure. And we're blind again. Oh my god. I like the sun, but geez. Oh, and you might notice that the chest camera is ever so slightly higher than usual. Joe likes to look out for this house that looks like the concerned Tom me. So she gives me a smack every time we go past it. I am so hungry. Yeah, the chest camera is up a little bit higher than usual. I've put an adapter on top of an adapter on top of an adapter. Whoosh. You have to speak louder.
Have my titties in your back.
Okay, I shall have your titties in my back. Westfield Park. We're both early and late. I'm going to attach these to the bike so we don't have to carry them around. Not that anyone would steal my scabby old one, but your one has fancy ears on it.
I'm hungry.
Me too. Now, do you remember what the code was?
No.
Oh shit. Stuff. Look at the size of that cake. Yeah, I know, that looks like a cake out of Matilda. My blood and sweat went into making this cake. Can I get 2 cheeseburgers and some chips, please? Mike. Sorry, my brain just went blank. Who am I? Oh my god, these look insanely good.
I'm going to have to get a bit of that beef though.
Yeah, we'll get you some cake after. Oh my god, the eyes. Oh, wicked, thank you. $4.90. Custom cafe.
Spider-Man, Spider-Man, does whatever a spider can. Spins the web, any size, catches thieves, just like fun.
And then I put it round.
And then
Oh, I know this song in time.
this bike is very startled. I just love that. Look at all that. It's actually properly engraved as well. That's not like stuck on or anything. Someone spent so much time on that. That is well cool. That is a lovely Harley, by the way. Is that a Sport Glide?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, I love it. It's amazing. You can hop on. I just need to shunt it so it gets out, okay? Of the bike night, but we was having a good time. We saw a load of old friends of ours, which I didn't expect to bump into. So it's good to see Ali and Nick and Isaac, Vicky. At the point of you watching this, I should be at the rally. Oh, I need to go home. We're getting my pajamas. Twat. Did you have fun? Did you enjoy your cake? Did you enjoy the burger? Sounds like I've got a fucking chihuahua. Love. I've missed this. I haven't missed that though. Say goodbye, Joe. Louder. Bye, everyone. Fly, Diana.
I could.